Welcome to this healing meditation for body and mind. This 12-minute session is designed to promote holistic healing, encouraging deep relaxation and self-awareness. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and allow yourself to fully settle in. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you exhale, imagine letting go of any tension or stress you may be holding onto. Allow your body to begin to relax with each breath. Continue to breathe deeply and gently. With each inhale, imagine drawing in healing energy and calm. With each exhale, release any discomfort or negative emotions. Feel your body becoming more relaxed and your mind more peaceful. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Start by focusing on your feet. Imagine a warm, healing light surrounding them. Visualize this light gently easing any tension or discomfort. Let this light move up through your ankles, calves, and knees, dissolving any remaining tension as it travels. Allow this healing light to continue moving up through your thighs, hips, and lower back. As it moves, feel it releasing any physical tension or emotional blocks. Let the warmth of this light soothe and heal every area it touches. Feel your body becoming more relaxed and your mind more peaceful. Bring your attention to your abdomen and chest. Imagine the healing light enveloping these areas, easing any tightness or discomfort. Feel the light expanding with each breath, bringing relaxation and balance to your entire torso. Now, focus on your shoulders, neck, and head. Picture the healing light gently enveloping these areas, releasing any accumulated stress or tension. Allow this light to flow through your shoulders, down your arms, and into your hands, bringing a sense of calm and healing to every part of your body. Continue to breathe deeply and gently. Let's now turn our attention to your mind. Visualize a serene, peaceful place, a tranquil garden, a quiet beach, or a calm forest. Imagine yourself in this beautiful place, feeling safe and at ease. As you immerse yourself in this environment, allow any lingering worries or stresses to fade away, replaced by a profound sense of peace and relaxation. As you enjoy this peaceful environment, focus on a few positive affirmations. Repeat them silently to yourself or out loud if you prefer. I am at peace with myself and my surroundings. My body and mind are healing and revitalizing. I release all tension and embrace relaxation. I am open to the healing energy of the universe. Allow these affirmations to resonate within you, enhancing your sense of well-being and healing. Feel the healing energy flowing through every part of your body and mind, nurturing and restoring you. Continue to breathe deeply and gently. As we approach the end of this meditation, Take a moment to express gratitude for this time of healing and relaxation. Reflect on the sense of calm and balance you've cultivated. Carry this feeling with you as you return to your day. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Thank you for joining this healing meditation for body and mind. May you carry the peace and healing you've experienced with you throughout your day. If you enjoyed this guided meditation video, be sure to like and subscribe to discover more helpful content. Take care and be well.